Hey, it's the sound of food here. I watched a little bit of cringe core today. I just really need some bleach right now. Oh god. Oh yeah, this fucking bleach is so good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mm. Oh fuck, dude. I really needed some bleach, man. I'm addicted, man. I think I'm good for now. Well, have a good day, peeps. You know, remember to subscribe, like, fucking comment, follow my fucking Twitter.